Unbelievable. This is crazy. Car hadn't ran in 30 years almost.
Hey everyone. All right, got a true barn find here. It's well, I'm about to show you. True barn find. Been in storage since 1991. It was found at a estate sale where the owner drove it in to storage. So I think it may start. All right, we just hooked the battery up and we're gonna, oh, there it goes, it turned on. Oh, let's go see if the headlights, oh, they are on. Headlights work. That's amazing. Put some oil in it. Let's see if this starts. Antifreeze in. We got some oil, some fresh oil. We cleaned our gas lines up. The trained eye set the points. I'm gonna get a picture of that trained eye.
Unbelievable. This is crazy. Car hadn't ran in 30 years almost. 30 years. It's a little loud, but to be expected. Wow.
All right, listen to that thing purr after 30 years of nothing.
I'm gonna try that. Oh yeah, pull back here.
Test driving the car. Set for over 30 years. See, we got lights. We got lights. This is crazy. Driving around in a car that's just been sitting for 30 years. All right, everyone. So wanted to tell you about the story about this car and where we're going with it. We're gonna keep it. Make this a daily driver, keeping it all original. It is a 289 small block Ford with a 2-barrel carburetor. She's running. She's kind of ticking. That lifter's kind of hitting, but she's running. She'll go down the road. So plans are being made right now. I don't know exactly what extent we're going to go to as far as any creature comforts or anything like that, but we are going to go strictly original with the original color. The top will be blue with the diamond blue exterior. Can't wait to get into some of the body work, take all the trim off, gonna send it to get it re-chromed, and then get this going.